What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. We've got a very exciting package today, so let's build a chair. But first, alright, so Respawn sent me out one of their brand new chairs, the Respawn Spire. I do already own two other Respawn chairs, the OG Spectre and the Flex. But I was so excited to be able to get my hands on this specific chair because, I mean, it's heckin' sexy. You'll see that soon. But also because it has brand new features that aren't present in other Respawn models. So in the box, we have the assembly instructions, the 5-star base, the armrests, the mesh backing, this fancy seat, and a box with the headrest, the wheels, some additional parts, and all of the needed screws and things. All right, let's build this thing. Assembling the chair is pretty simple. The included instructions are very easy to read with the pictures and everything. Honestly, the hardest part for me was getting these wheels on. I struggled with this for like 15 minutes. Some first impressions while building the chair. All of the parts and materials look and feel high quality. Nothing has that cheap plasticky feel. I think Respawn really paid attention to the details with this chair. But like I said, the assembly is pretty simple and I was able to do it pretty quickly. It also seemed a bit easier to build than my other two Respawn chairs. I don't know if it actually is or if I'm just becoming like a master chair assembler at this point. I don't know. She's complete. So like I said earlier, this chair has some special features that we haven't yet seen in other Respawn chairs. The main one being the seat cooling technology. This is so cool to me. No pun intended. So there is a gel layer in the seat that evenly distributes heat throughout. So for all my sweaty gamers out there, you can now stay cool. Also, I live in Florida, so this is much appreciated. And then this material is very nice with the stitching and everything. It kind of reminds me of like a luxury car. Another new feature is the armrests. In addition to moving forward, backward, up and down, they also can flip all the way back. So you essentially have unlimited sitting positions. And as someone who sits crisscross, again, I appreciate this. The backing is a 3D knitted mesh that is nice and soft and, of course, breathable. The Respawn R is stitched in, which I think is a nice touch. And then on the back, there is this honeycomb pattern, and I just think this looks really cool. But it's also the back support for the chair, so it forms to you and moves with you to provide support. And there's also some other nice details on the back here with the Respawn logo. The headrest is adjustable. You can move it up and down and adjust the forward and backward tilt. And it has the same honeycomb support on the back. The headrest is also detachable, so if you prefer without a headrest, that's an option too. There are two paddles underneath the chair, one on each side. The paddle on the left is for locking in the recline. When it's not engaged, you have the full 115-degree recline. And when the paddle is flipped up, you can lock in your desired recline. And the paddle on the right is for adjusting seat depth and seat height. Some other notes about the Spire: it has a 300-pound weight capacity, and it does come in two colorways. The one I have is the ghost option with the white and the grays, and then there is the stealth option that is black. So So if you're looking to upgrade your chair, whether you're a gamer or if you work in an office setting, maybe you want a nice chair for your dining table, whatever you do, if you do it sitting down, I think this chair is a great option. So you can check it out through the link down in the description. And of course, you can use code CURSE on all Respawn products for a nice little discount. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.